Alpha locks and clipping masks. Alpha lock. Alpha lock. Alpha locks are interesting because they enable you to be able to draw within a shape. So here there's no alpha lock on the shape. So if we go into the layer and choose alpha lock, when we draw now on top, it enables you to draw within that shape. Alpha locks, however, do work on top of that layer, so anything you draw on that layer will stay on that layer, and it's sort of, I suppose, destructive to that layer, unless that's what you want. So they make permanent changes to the original layer. Clipping mask. The clipping mask option allows you to draw in a similar way, but in a less destructive way. So if you choose a shape and select clipping mask, you can add more layers, and you can draw on individual layers that will just draw within the shape that you're masked to. So clipping mask, here you can see the empty layer above. If we go and pick a colour and then just draw, it will draw within that shape. And then you can go on to another layer and maybe use another colour or another brush, but make sure you choose clipping mask. Make sure that little arrow, there's a little down arrow on your layer, as you can see, and then you can go and draw however you like, and you can see it will just draw on the layer it's masked to. And it doesn't it's non-destructive, so it doesn't destroy the original layer below. It stays intact. So if you any changes you make to that master layer, if you colour fill, you'll see that the lines you've drawn over the top that were previously omitted will now show. You can then turn off, as you wish, the top layers. You can make decisions and choices. You can manipulate them. You can change the opacity. So this is a good technique to play around with. And the master layer, again, whatever you do to that master layer will affect the top layers, because that is the master layer. And you can use more layers, as many as you like.